Hey there, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing awesome. We're here at Thompson Farm. And we're gonna have an awesome time. Come on, let's go.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Yep. There we are. We fixed it. We fixed the slide rail. Oh, but check it out. It's not any slide. It's a gigantic slide. How awesome is this? Well, we've got it fixed. Put our hammer back in our tool belt. Let's go check it out. Come on. Oh, we got a lot of steps. Might take a while to get up there, but we're gonna get there. Oh, look, see? We even got some rules. Might need to fix that. Get out our socket wrench. Tighten these up a little bit. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, yep. One right there. I think this one on the bottom needs a little bit of tightening too. Right here. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Of course, you gotta have slide rules, right? Oh, wow. Oh, look. It's a corn maze. We're gonna have to check that out soon. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends. We're at the top. Check this out. We are really high. You can see everything from up here. Oh, you can see the animals. Oh, you see all the tires down there. This is awesome. But let's check out the slide. That one's closed. This one isn't. Oh. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is great. This is awesome. You can hear my echo. Cool. Come look at this. Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah. But I got a great idea. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. Oh, it's the best stuff in the world. Oh yes. Of course, it's a big slide, so we've got to use a good amount. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'll get it in there. Oh yeah. All right, sweet. I think that might be enough. Let's do a little bit of wiping right here. Okay, get down in there. Okay, all right. Oh, yep. Oh, okay, all right. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. All right, let's take off the tool belt and let's go have some fun. Here we go. Yep. Okay. Whoa! I see at the bottom. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That was awesome! Oh yeah! Oh, wow! Oh. Wasn't that so much fun? Come on, let's go do it again. My friends, that was so awesome. We gotta do this again. Come on. Whoa, that was awesome. Let's go do this again. Oh yeah, that was totally awesome. The coolest ride ever. The Super Slide Spray, it really works. But check this out. This is like huge industrial pipes that they use on construction sites. They brought it out here to Thompson Farms to make this gigantic slide. How cool is that? It's a fun ride too. Oh wow, look at all that cool stuff. Come on, let's go. They've even got a pumpkin checkerboard. How cool is this? It's orange versus white. Let's play. You ready? Here we go. Oh, triple jump. You know the best thing about being on a farm? It's the farm animals. I love farm animals. And they got a really cool place that you can feed them. Check it out. We've got all kinds of cool animals out here. We've got pigs, and miniature cows. We even got miniature goats and sheep. How cool is that? And we're gonna feed them. Check it out. We got some feed right here. Look at it. Oh, that's really, really cool. So let's see if we can get some over here. Come on. You want something to eat? Oh, wow. This is a goat. Check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. And look, this one's even got horns. Oh, and look. You see their pupils? Can you see that? They're rectangle. Not like humans that are circle. Oh, but you know what that's for? It's to help them see better at night. How cool is that? Oh, look, we got a sheep here. Oh, and look, it's got horns too. You see how it curves around? Oh, that's really cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all right, let me get some more. Did you know that goats, whenever they're babies, are called kids? How cool is that? And you know that they have their own distinct sound? So whenever they call, their mom knows exactly where they're at? That's really cool. And did you know that they only have bottom teeth? Yep. That's why we gotta be really, really nice to them and feed them really easy, just like this right here. That's really cool. Oh yeah. How is it? Is it good? Hey. Oh, and look. This one's got blue eyes. Oh, I guess she just didn't want any. Oh, look, here we go. Nope. Oh, I guess she's gonna have to get all of it, huh? Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And the miniature cow, it's called a zebu. That one's really cool. Oh, wow, look. These are cool dogs. Do you know that these are called Great Pyrenees? It's really cool. And you know that they have a really good purpose on this farm? And that's to protect all of the tiny animals. Right. Ain't that right? Oh, isn't that awesome? Oh, look. This is where they do the hay rides. Come on. Let's go check this out. Oh, this is a cool trailer. It's really long. And this is what everybody actually comes and rides on. If we can get it open. There we go. Come on, look. This is really cool. And everybody gets to come up here and sit. And they take this with a huge tractor on the front through the big field out there where they've got big cows and, oh, they've even got buffaloes. And you get to feed them. How cool is that? Come on, let's go. Which one? So many sizes and shapes. We gotta pick out our annual pumpkin from our annual pumpkin smashing. Oh yeah. Oh, wow, look at these over here. We got some white ones. Oh wait, no, we even got some gourds. These are cool. They come in all shapes and sizes. Oh, got some yellow ones, some orange ones, some green ones. It's really cool. Oh, I see some over here. Come on. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, this is it. Oh, let's see if we be awesome. Oh, wow. Look at all of this corn. It's like a corn pool. You know what this means? Corn cannonball. Corn angel. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's the corn maze. This is totally cool. Come on. Let's go have some fun. Oh, look. This is what the corn maze looks like. It says we're up to our ears and fun at Thompson Farms. That's really cool. But you can't really see that unless you go all the way up there. Wonder where we should go. Let's go this way, come on. Wow, I don't know, my friends. All this corn's starting to look the same. Sure, I know where I'm at. I think I might have been that way. I don't know. I'm getting kind of hungry. Wonder if they got any popcorn out here. Woo! Man, this is tough. Oh, wow. I see the top of the slide. Let's go in that direction. Oh, wow. Well, looks like we found the end. That was totally awesome. And exhausting. Well, I think I might need to sit down. Oh, on this really cool swing. Oh. It's a little squeaky. We might need to fix that. Man, haven't we had an awesome day today? We went through an awesome corn maze, even though we probably got lost a little bit. We even went down that awesome slide. It was huge and super fast. It was great. We even got to play around with some really cool animals. Thanks to Thompson Farms for allowing us to come out and have an awesome time. You should check it out. Got some awesome family fun here. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. We'll see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages, it is now time for Handyman Hal's annual pumpkin smashing. Oh, yep. Got my sledgehammer here. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, we got it stuck in there. Oh, get it out, get it out. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. 1, up. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, yeah. Shake that out. Look at all these cool insides. Oh, yeah. Look at all of this in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. Look at all the seeds. Oh, this is cool. Let's turn it around and let's get one. Oh, check that out. Let's get one more good smash here. Here we go. That's 1. That's 2. Yeah, that was awesome. It was just like spaghetti inside. We might need to see that in slow motion.